This video has been sponsored by Squarespace. Back to me. Guys, welcome to Monaco. Check this out. So we're outside obviously the famous Monte Carlo casino, joined by R8s, S8s, Porsche Panameras, BMWs, Rolls Royce. And let me just say this, if your car doesn't hit the point, you can't park it out here. Can you see what's behind me? My Bentley Continental GT that we bought for £10,000 and rebuilt it on my driveway. I know what all you subscribers are going to want to know is the full cost of rebuilding the thing. Did it cost more than it's worth? Quite possibly. But before we do that, I think you guys would need a full reminder of how we brought the Bentley to this point right now. So let's take you back in time.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you.
Hold it right there. So you're telling me that he's gone all the way to Monaco in that Bentley, parading round like a rich folk, and he's left me with my A45 here? I think he's forgotten where he came from. I think he's forgotten me. And most of all, I think he's forgotten that this video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites to online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build and run your business. Squarespace allows you to build websites which are made simple, quick, easy, and look professional as well. Whatever your skill, whether it's like expert or beginner, it's so easy for you to use. So here's an example. You click my link in the description box below, it takes you directly to the Squarespace page. All you got to do is choose a template. You choose a template, there's loads to choose from. Then all you need to do from there is customize your homepage, which you can just do by dragging and dropping your own logos or photos in there. You've got email campaigns to reach out to customers. You've got analytics to view who's viewing your website at what times. It's really simple and easy to help build your brand and build your business. So if you're serious about starting a website and building your brand today, then click my link in the description box below and you'll get 10% off your first website or domain name. Thanks for Squarespace for sponsoring this video. I better go catch him up in Monaco.
Hello emotions, hello again. Is every ocean cold as rain? I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, we fall and rise to be so free.
And what a way to finish the build outside the Monte Carlo Casino next to an Aston Martin. But I know what a lot of you guys have came here for, and that is for the full cost of it. How much did it cost to rebuild the Bentley, and would have been better off just buying one which wasn't crashed? So let's break this down. The car, £10,000. The grille, the wing, and the under tray, £1,133. Headlight, £700. Surface kit, £150. Intercooler, which is just in there, £110. Secondary air pump, which is just behind there, which makes a woo noise, £150. Centre caps for the wheels I don't have anymore. Centre pit, £67. Outside of it, £31. Exhaust, £900. Lowering links, £80. Whole wrap for the car, £550. Guys, this is just gonna go on and on and on. So I'm gonna check back with you whilst we're at home, and we'll calculate everything all together. So we are back home now in the UK, and the weather has took a bit of a turn for the worse. We really was living it up in Monaco. But let's get all the prices and the costs for this Bentley up on the screen, because I think we got a little bit out of hand. So let's get them all on the screen for you to see, plain and simple. Let's go. So all the parts that I've already mentioned brings up a total of £30,871. That's including the car. Now there's an endless list of parts which I had to buy for this car, and it just goes on and on and on. I'm not going to bore you with every single thing that I've bought it with. For example, 6 arch lining nuts for £2.68. So to add up all the parts that I've had to buy for this car, I may have missed a few things. I get a total of £4,991.50. That's not the end of it. We then found out from Bentley we had the cracked engine mount and a gearbox leak as well. This is not something I fancy doing on my driveway, so I contacted my local Bentley specialist. They've given me a quote to supply and fit the parts at £865.20. That brings the whole project cost to £19,727.70. Now there's absolutely no way I could make a profit by selling this car, but as I said at the start of this build, this was built for a passion, not for profit. And I've probably missed a few costs off there as well, not to mention the labour costs and the amount of fuel I've put in this.
I'll get some of that. No, why should I? You spent all of yours fixing this car.
Yeah, true, but I have enjoyed doing every single part of this build. I mean, we've got to visit Bentley in Crewe, we got to visit Monaco, and on top of that, we've got thousands more people watching the channel.
To be honest, I do like the Bentley. It's very mafia-like. So, what now?
Well, I guess we've got to get the engine mount fixed, and we've got to get the gearbox leak fixed.
There's another 900 quid.
Yeah, don't remind me.
Then what?
Well, I guess then we should start looking for a new project.
What do you mean, we?
Well, you're the one with the money.
Get lost!
Well, it looks like it's just us guys now, so join me on the search for a new project car. Let me know in the comment section below what you'd like to see as the next build. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you've enjoyed the Bentley build. Let's go get this engine mount fixed. Let's go get the gearbox oil leak fixed. And then let's get a new project. See you in the next video, guys. Peace out.